We can learn a lot from emperor penguins about the importance of timing, especially in how it affects survival, cooperation, and success. Here are the key lessons. 1. Perfect timing for breeding. Emperor penguins breed during the harsh Antarctic winter, which seems counterintuitive, but it's perfectly timed. By laying eggs in the coldest months, May-June, their chicks hatch when conditions start improving and food becomes more available. Lesson: sometimes the right time to start is not the easiest time. Success often requires foresight and planning ahead. 2. Coordinated parental roles. After the female lays the egg, she passes it carefully to the male before leaving for the ocean to feed. Males then incubate the eggs for about 2 months, balancing the egg on their feet to keep it warm. The female returns just as the chick hatches, a result of precise biological timing between partners. Lesson: timing and teamwork go hand in hand. Coordinated effort ensures success even in extreme conditions. 3. Timing in energy management. Males fast for up to 120 days during incubation, conserving energy and moving minimally. Their biological clocks help them endure and maintain warmth during the darkest period. Lesson: knowing when to act and when to wait is vital. Patience can be as powerful as activity. 4. Timing with environmental cues. Their life cycle, migration, breeding, chick rearing, is synced with seasonal changes in light, temperature, and food availability. Lesson: aligning your actions with natural or external rhythms leads to efficiency and survival. Timing is not just internal. It's about reading the environment. 5. Synchrony in movement. When temperatures drop, emperor penguins huddle together and move in synchronized waves to share warmth evenly. Lesson: collective timing. Moving and resting together strengthens the group and helps everyone thrive. In essence, emperor penguins teach us that success depends not only on strength or endurance but on doing the right thing at the right time.